name is Kim Reed, and my relationship with St. Luke's began about 20 years ago when I started or began coming to the Women's Health Center to get my mammograms. I had a GI bleed, and this was at the end of a months-long struggle of trying to figure out what was wrong with me. I'd been having issues for months. I was at another hospital, had a GI specialist, and had had several tests, and nothing had been found until I had this bleed. And I called then my primary care doctor and said, they've told me I need surgery, but I want to go back to St. Luke's. So when she recommended Dr. Cronin, I knew he would probably be a great doctor, but I was still a little bit nervous and worried. But I will say that when I went into Dr. Cronin's office and I was sitting there, waiting for him to come in, and I was thinking of all the things I was going to say and everything, all that kind of went out the window when he came in and introduced himself. He knew what was wrong with me, he understood what was wrong with me, and he had seen what was wrong with me before, and he was going to take care of it. And it's very hard to explain kind of the relief I felt and the immediate confidence I felt in Dr. Cronin. I just believed him that he was going to take care of it. So I got the CT scan done just less than a week later, just a few days later. And when the results came back, Dr. Cronin called me himself. He told me it was going to be big surgery. I'd probably be in the hospital a week, but I still felt like I was finally with a doctor who was going to handle it and take care of me. I had the surgery, and my hospital experience at St. Luke's was really wonderful. I really can't say enough about the nurses and the technicians that took care of me. I was in the hospital for 6 days, and every time I called someone, I got a quick response. I have such a huge gratitude for the nurses that took care of me, for nurses in general, the caring. I mean, they're seeing you at your absolute worst. You don't look good, you don't feel good, you're probably cranky, and they're still in your room smiling at you and telling you, they're going to take care of you and you're going to be okay. People don't expect to get sick. I don't expect to get sick and have an illness. So whoever you choose, whatever doctor or specialist or care person that you choose to take care of you is critical. And I'm grateful that I had Dr. Cronin to take care of me. If anybody ever asked me about a surgeon, I would definitely recommend Dr. Christopher Cronin. I think he's a great doctor and he's a great person.